I'm here to introduce to you our new Hokki Plus series. We have two heights, a smaller version, the 3813, and a taller version, the 3814. The cool thing about these height adjustable stools is that they have a trigger plate located conveniently around the perimeter of the Hokki stool, meaning that you can adjust the height from any point with one hand. Here, when you're ready to adjust the height up, simply grab the trigger plate and voila, it adjusts up. When you're ready to adjust the seat height down, apply pressure to the seat, grab the trigger plate, and adjust the seat down. Same thing goes for our taller version. Ready to adjust the seat height up, using any hand, one hand only, grab the trigger plate, and the seat height comes up. Too tall for you? Sit down. Grab the trigger plate and adjust the height down. It has been my pleasure to introduce the Hokki Plus series to you.